All right, so connecting the dots here, we're creating that 3D kind of looking object with translating with vectors. So the one thing, guys, that I did forget to do is we have to find the coordinates for S prime, T prime, U prime, and also A prime, B prime, and C prime. So finding the coordinates for S prime, it's going to be at -5, -3. T prime is going to be at 4, -6. U prime is going to be at -3, -7. And then if we're looking over here at A prime, that is going to be at 1, 5. B prime is going to be at 4, 4, 6. C prime is going to be at 5, 3. And D prime is going to be at -1, negative 1, 1. All right, so those are our coordinates. So, guys, what I want you to do is try 13 and 14 on your own. Check the answer key on Canvas to make sure you got it correct. So, like I said, use Desmos for this. Probably going to be the easiest thing, unless you want to, if you have graph paper at home, that's fine. But otherwise, just use Desmos. For number 14, right here, for that one, it says -6. You're going to be moving in the negative x direction. And then that 0 means all you're moving is in the x direction, is that horizontal direction. So you're not moving at all vertically. So you're not moving up or down at all. So for this one, all you're doing is you're going to the left. So you take that quadrilateral FGHI and move those coordinates to the left 6. All right. So for the last part, identifying and writing rules. So for this one, they want us to use both coordinate notation and also vector and component form. So all we have to do is, it's not too difficult. So for the first part, part A, we're looking, and I just go from, hey, if I go from D to D prime, if I do that, I'm going up 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so that would be a +4. So kind of create that triangle going to +4. And then I'm going to the right 7. All right, so I'm going up 4 and to the right 7. Both of those are in a positive direction, okay? Both in a positive direction, so both my values are going to be positive. So for coordinate notation, we're going to have to put that x comma y in there, all right? So we're saying for any x or y value, we're going to do x plus 7, all right? So we're moving 7 horizontally, and then y plus 4. Now, guys, for this, like, do you have to do it for every point? Yeah, it'd probably be good. I just kind of check myself, okay? I just kind of look up at E. I'm like, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, got it. Okay, so I just check myself real quick, okay? Now, for part B, we have to write it as a vector. So for this, all you have to do is you put those kind of odd shaped brackets, and it says x plus 7. So guess what? 7 goes right there. Y plus 4, 4 goes right there. Okay, so our work is already really done for us from part A. We just have to write it in vector form. So looking at number 16, this one, make sure we're always going from the pre-image to the image. So make sure we're going from M to M prime. So if I'm going from M to M prime or N to N prime, I'm going to go up 2 and to the left 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going up 2. So I'm going 2 in a positive direction. That's going to be positive 2. And then I'm going to the left. So I'm going in a negative direction 4. So that's going to be in a negative direction. So that's why I always put that -4 right there to show me that, hey, there's going to be a -4 when I'm writing it in coordinate notation and in vector notation. So guys, we will finish this problem up on the next video.